Good morning, grade ones. Welcome to another lesson. This morning we're having a mathematics and science lesson, and we're looking at the mathematics aspect and we're looking at numbers. We're continuing with our numbers from last week. We've been talking about numbers. We're still on numbers. We're still continuing with numbers. So before we do anything, I would like you to open your exercise book. Make sure that you've got your pencil and let's write the date and welcome to a new month. Which month are we in? Who can tell me which month are we in?
February.
Yes, we're in the month of February. Today is the very first day of February. So welcome to a new month. As we start a new month, we are hoping for new and better things. All right. So let's quickly write the date. Today's Monday. I hope you can spell Monday. Please, can you quickly take that down? Don't take forever. I know you're fast. Make sure when you are copying your letters, try and copy 2 or 3 letters at a time. Don't copy one, then you look up, you copy one, and you look up. It will be 12 o'clock. Others are already waiting. They want to come and learn also. All right. So our time is very limited. So copy 3 or 2 letters at a time. So today it's Monday, the 1st of February. And February, it is the second month of the year and it has got 28 days only. So this is going to be a very short month. So we should make sure that we use each and every day wisely, all right? So that we learn something new each and every single day. So Monday, 1st of February, capital F or capital F sound for February 2021. So let's write fast. In our previous lesson, we were not writing, we were just talking and enjoying a bit of music. Now we are writing. So let's do it fast. Okay? If we are done, please raise your hand so that I can see and you can show me as well. We are done, Pearl. Thank you. What about you, Praise? Are you done? Kupa, we are done as well. Very good. Praise. Are you done, Praise? We missed you in the first lesson and you didn't even greet me, Praise. Quickly copy the date. Prosperity, let's do it fast. Daniela, are you done? Right, your hand is up. Thank you. We are done. Prosperity, trying to check the words. Or you're having a challenge there.
20.
Right, and our heading is numbers. You do have that title while you are waiting for prosperity. Prosperity. Let's quickly finish up. Are you done? Prosperity. Right, others are done. Thank you, Daniel. I can see that you are finished. Thank you. Right, I think prosperity is also done. So today it's Monday, the 1st of February, 2021, and tomorrow it's Tuesday. Yesterday was a Sunday, all right? And our heading is numbers. So you skip a line like what we've been doing last week. I know you're now very good. But let's skip a line and let's write our heading that says numbers. That's what we want to talk about. We're continuing with numbers. So write your heading and it says numbers. Pearl, I hope you are done. You seem to be still there, Pearl. I hope you can see what you have written. Please raise your hand when you are done and take your heading down that says numbers. And make sure that you write neatly. I have started my letter with a capital letter. So you can also start with a capital letter. Then the other letters must be the same size. You are done, Cooper? All right, thank you. I'm going to check your work before we end our lesson. All right. Right. I hope you've written numbers. All right. Who can count for me from numbers 1 up to number 20? We did that a few weeks back. Kupa, can you quickly count for me? Let's give Kupa
1,
Kupa.
2.
Please, can you count for us, Kupa?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Well done, right. So from 10, you say 11, 12, and it is 13. Can you say 13, Kupa? Can you say 13? Kupa, can you say 13?
13.
Yes, that's how you pronounce that number. You say 13. And I want prosperity. Can you continue from 20 up to 30? Let me hear you. 20, prosperity 20.
1, 2,
Prosperity, you didn't follow the instruction. You are starting from 20 and you are continuing 20, 21. Quickly.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31,
Right.
32,
Thank you, prosperity. You stop at 30. Thank you. Wonderful. I can see you can count. Pearl, can you continue from 30, 30, 31? Pearl?
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Wonderful. People can count. Daniela, Danielle, please can you count from 40, 41? Quickly, Danielle, 40. Can you hear me? Danielle, 40, 41. Think you can't hear me, right? Let me go to praise. Praise, can you hear me? Can you count from 40? What is in your mouth there? Have you been eating? What's going on? Praise, can you count from 40, 40, 41? Quickly, please. 40. Louder, please. Right. Thank you, praise. Thank you, praise. I think your parents can hear me. Please, can they assist there with the volume of your phone? Can they assist you there? Please, can you raise the volume, please, parents? Can you check? All right. So we are going to practice. Make sure that you're practicing counting from 0 up to 100, and you can even go further than 100. All right. So next time when we meet in Pumla South, we're going to be counting and counting and counting. All right. So what we're going to do today, still on our topic numbers, we are going to write the word for me, and this one says before. Want to talk about numbers that come before. All right, can you quickly take that word down and can you write before? Let's write this word. It says before. Then I'm going to explain it. All right, let's quickly write down that word before. Remember, it starts with a b. Before. Use your hands. Before. All right, then you don't write anything. Just write that word before, and then I will explain to you what I have here. All right, raise your hand when you are done writing the word before.
Where are you writing now?
We are done writing the word before.
Here.
We are done. Right, the pie is also done. Quickly, those are just a few letters. It's a good chance. And there's a one in the background that is making a lot of noise. I don't know where it's coming from. So that word says before, and I've got a square. Remember, we said when our square is empty, it means there must be a number that you must find. And this number comes before this one as you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number comes before 7? Number? Yes. So the number that you must write that comes before 7, you write 6. You don't write that box, but you write 6. Then you leave space and you write 7. Can we write that as our number 1? This is number 1. Write number 1 outside of your red box. I didn't write it because I did not want to confuse you, but write number 1 outside of the red box, and then you write this number that comes before 7. Don't draw the box, but you write the number only. I hope you're all following. Prosperity. You are looking up. I don't know whether you are thinking there. Prosperity. Pupa, are you done?
No.
Right. So write the number that comes before 7. You can even count those numbers in your heart. You don't have to count them very loud, but you can count and you'll see which number comes before 7. If you are done, please can you show me? Pupa Kwashe. May I see what you have done so far? Kel. Right, that is correct. Well done, very correct. Right, you can put your book down, Pearl. Then you can write number 2. Pearl, outside of your blue line or red line, you write number 2 so that you write the next sum. Prosperity, I don't know that you can hear me. Mbali,
I'm done.
we are done. Is that prosperity? I've got a still picture for you here. There's no movement from you. Are you done? Can I see, please, Danielle, if you are done?
Yeah.
Can you show me? Put your paper or your book up, Danielle. While I'm looking for Kupa. Put it down, Kupa Kwashe. A bit down, Kupa. Right. Thank you, Kupa. Very good. Danielle, raise your book. Let me see. Praise. Can I see what is going on? Right. So if you are done, right, number 1, there is number 2. You've got an empty box that stands for a number that comes before 10. Can you give me that number that comes before 10? Write that number, Kupa. Kupa Kwashe.
9.
Yes, please, can you write it, Kupa? Can you write number 2 in your book there, Kupa? Parents for Kupa, write number 2 and you write that number that comes before 10. Pearl, are you done? Can I see? Show me your book, Pearl, if you are done. Now, who was helping you last week with your book, Pearl? I can't see that page. Hold your book properly. Yes, that's much better. Right. Thank you, Pearl. Right. Thank you. So today you are assisting yourself. There's no one assisting you today. All right. It's okay, Pearl. I've seen it. Thank you. You can put it down. Right. Kupa, thank you. You can put it down as well. Right. Thank you, Praise. I've seen your work. I'm still waiting for Danielle. There, I haven't seen your work, Danielle. Right. So when we are done, so that word there, it says before. All right. And you are given the box. The box is in front of that number. So it shows you that you must write that number that comes before this one. All right. Is that okay? Right. Then we are going to write this next word. It says after. So you skip a line. You skip a line. Kupa, let's skip a line and let's write that word. After. Somewhere to the center of your line there. Make sure that you skip a line and you write after. That word says after. After. Prosperity, nice to see you. You are back. Right. That word says after. And you are now given the number. You are given there's the number there, number 13. So you write the number that comes after 13 as you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which number comes after 13? And you write it there. Don't draw the box, but write the number that comes after 13 as you are counting going forward 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So write the number that comes after 13 and make sure that your numbers, they fill the line. They fill the line, they should touch the top line and sit on the line. Right. Very good, Kupa. Wonderful work there. Let's write fast. Oh, our time. Really, it's almost over. Right. So let's quickly go to number 4, Pearl. Let's go to number 4 quickly. We've got a few more minutes left. Let's go to number 4. Now we are given the number. There it is. It says 19. There is the number 19. So which number will come after 19 as we are counting forward? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Which is the next number there? You write that number. It comes after. You're already given the number. And you write the number that comes after it there. Right. Thank you, Kupa. Right. Well done, Kupa Kwashe. We are done. Pearl, you are done. I can see you're clapping your hands there, miss. I can see that you are done. Very good. Let's quickly finish up so that we can do the last part of our work for today. So you're also going to get something like this in Google Classroom as well. All right. Danielle, I haven't seen any work in Google Classroom. I hope your parents can hear me there. I have not received anything so far. Please, can you send all your work to Google Classroom? Otherwise, you're having a backload. I don't know when you're going to write all those exercises in Balente. Danielle, please, may I have everything? All right? Praise, we have been sending, we have stopped sending. Please, may you send all the work. Kupakwashe, I'm going to fight with you as well. I haven't received work from Google Classroom. Please, can you send all your work, Kupakwashe, parents for Kupakwashe? Let's go to Google Classroom and let's open Google Classroom. There's lots of work for Kupa. She's owing me a lot of work. Right, then the last thing that we're going to write, here is another word now, and this one says between. They taste that with the between. Let's copy that word quickly, Kupa. Let's copy that word between. Between. There must be two things, isn't it? And there's something that is missing. So here we've got a number that is missing. We've got two numbers. I've got 15, I've got 17. Then I've got, here is the empty box. So the box is now between these two numbers. It's at the center. So I want to know this number, which is between 15 and 17. Right, if we are done, that is now number 5. That's number 5. Write 5 outside of your red box. You write 15. All right? And you write the number that we are looking for, the number that is between 15 and 17. Let's quickly write down that sum. You are done, Pearl. If you are done, Pearl, let's go and write number 6, the last one. It is this last one. You've got 25 and 27. Which number is between 25 and 27? Let's identify that number that comes between 25 and 27. So you can also count from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What's the next number? All right, so make sure that we are counting our numbers as we write. Let's quickly finish up and your pattern when we are done, Pearl and Kupa, Prosperity. Patterns when we are done. Danielle, your pattern as well when we are done. And Praise, your pattern. Are you okay there, Prosperity? Are you finished? Let's quickly finish up. We've got about 2 minutes left. Let's quickly finish. Can I see please, Kupa? You are done, Kupa Kwashe. Right, wonderful work, Kupa. Let's have your pattern, my dear. So you skip a line and you write your up, down, up, down, up, down to show that we are done your work for this morning on Zoom. Right. Thank you, Prosperity. And your pattern there, Prosperity. Right. Thank you. Let's finish up. Danielle, please, can you show me your work? I want to see what you've been doing. We're about to part ways. So let me see what you have done. Praise, I want to see your work as well. Let's quickly finish up. Let's finish up. Let's finish up, friends. Let's finish up. Yeah, let's finish up as well. Right. So your patterns, you're going to remain writing them. Wonderful. I can see that nice pattern, nice, well-decorated pattern. Thank you, Pearl Shining Star. Right. So today we learned new words, okay? We learned 3 new words. We learned the word before. Can you look up? Prosperity. The first word and phrase that we learned was before. We said you are given a box and there's a number. So you write that number that comes before this one, which I've already given you. I've given you 7. So I want you to know the number that comes before 7, the number that becomes before 10. All right, we've already written it, Kupa. We're just reminding each other. So that was before, and the other word was after. After. When it's after, you're already given the number. Here is the number 13, and there's an empty box. You write the number that comes after 13 as you count forward. The number after 19 as you count forward. And the last new word that we learned this morning was between. When you're given 2 numbers and you want to find this middle number here, the one at the center. So it means we must be able to count, all right, so that we can find the number that is in between the number that is at the center and the number that is in the middle there, all right? Thank you so much. Put your hands down, please, Kupa. Kupa. Thank you so much for attending today's lesson. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Please, let's go to Google Classroom. Let's write and let's submit all our work. Danielle, I can no longer see you. I don't know where you are. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.
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 See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to your